Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the function of accounting. So accounting performs the following major functions. So there are some functions we will discuss here. So first function we are here maintaining the complete and the systematic record. It is the important function of the accounting. So the main function of the accounting is to maintain the complete and the systematic record of the business transaction, post them into the ledger and to prepare the financial statement, तो statement of the profit and loss account and the balance sheet. So ये जो accounting systematic record maintain करना, complete करना, it is the most important feature or you can say most important function of the accounting. So तो इसमें आप पहले first of all we will record the transaction in the books of account in the like journal, then we post them into the ledger that you will study in the coming chapters. So first of all you just know it is the important function of the accounting to maintain the books of accounts and to post the transaction into the ledger and to prepare the financial statement like profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Okay, and the second function is communicating the financial result to the various parties. After preparing the financial statement, it is also the important function of the accounting is to communicating the financial result. What are the financial results, whether the company is in the profit condition or company is in the loss. So and what were the assets and the liabilities in the past year, that should be most important situation that should be communicated to the various parties, like the interested parties, maybe the investor, maybe the shareholders, maybe the other interested party. They are thinking about to investment in the running business. Okay, and the third function is protect the assets of the business. It is also the important function. Another function of the accounting is to maintain the proper records of the various assets such as cash in hand, bank balance, inventories, debtors. It enables the management to keep the proper control over them. Okay, if you are not maintaining these assets in the books of account, you may forget that we have these types of the assets. That is the possibility of the omissions or maybe the fraud may be occurred if you are not maintaining the books of accounts. So in the fourth point, providing the asset assistance to the management. By providing the timely information and accounting assists the management in the task of the planning, controlling and the decision making. If the books of account are in the proper way, it helps the management to take the proper decisions on the basis of the books of account that has been maintained by the business organizations. Fifth, trusteeships. In the case of the companies, the management is entrusted with the task of controlling the resources of the enterprises. The management is expected to act as the trustees of the company's funds, and the accounting assists them to control the resources properly. So here are the words of the trusteeship. Trusteeships means that the management of the company is in the position to control and to monitoring all the assets and the liabilities of the business organization, and they are just functioning like as a parents, or you can say the guardian of the company, that protect the interest of the shareholders, that work as the trusteeships for all the investor and the interested parties. Sixth, compliances of the legal needs. Under the provisions of the various laws such as the Companies Act, Income Tax Act and the GST, Goods and Services Tax Act, a business firm has to submit the various statements such as the annual accounts, income tax, GST returns, and accounting performs this function by supplying the information to the government agencies. So this is the also most important. If any document are needed by the government from your concern, that can only be provided by the by the accountant, or you can, if you are maintaining the proper books of account, you are entering all the transaction in the books of account. That may be only be satisfied to the government officials if you are maintaining the proper books of account. Okay, that all will be other aspects of the business we will discuss in the coming chapter one by one. Okay, in this video we have concluded here. So I hope that you got the function of the accounting. Okay, students.